What's up, Saul?
Nothing. What's up with you, man?
You know, the usual.
Usual, just hanging out.
Yeah, just hanging out. Right here's our wall line. Got that. We're setting up right now. Alright, so we're just putting the 2-foot spacers on every 4 foot there. Alright, some of this stuff got broken because the bank collapsed, so we gotta re-screw it on there. Alright, we got our spacers on, wall line up, all screwed together. Everything's pretty good. The only thing is we got some high corners here and there, so we're gonna set our transit up and shoot everything and see if we gotta dig any out. Net and Dad and Shug showed up. Shug!
He's a sun shirt.
Yes. They're going to get us some lunch. They left the sugar bear. I think he wants to go with them still. We dug our corners out. We're a little high and we're ready to start staking. Alright, so we always start with the corners. Do all the corners first and then do the middle. All you gotta do is make sure you got 7 inches here, 7 inches here. Stake it. Get the beeper. Put it right on the corner. Once it beeps like that, you're good. Screw it home. That's it. They're back. Keeping Shug safe. Keeping Shug safe. Make sure you don't run him over. The boss man, Wavy Davy, showed up. Hey, set us straight.
Keep it straight.
Look at all these corners. Alright, so we got all our corners together, all the edges, and everything's established. Looking really good. Now, what we got to do is do the middles of these long stretches. Since it's a 2-foot footer, I need 7 inches over here. 2 foot, or 7 minus 24 is 17. So you just go 17. Alright, get a stake, tap her in. Take the beeper. Screw her in. Double check. Alright, so now I got everything set. This is all relatively close because we set the heights everywhere. And now we just got to fill in the middle. I just want to double check with my tape every time that I'm the right distance. And I usually go 2 stakes in between each form. Alright, we got it all staked, set the height. Everything is ready to go. I'm starting to put rebar in. Dad and Annette are helping us finish up here. Hey, Shug. Alright, we got the rebar in, tied, and we are ready to pour some footers. It's Monday morning. We're getting ready to pour the footers here at Rusty's. The coronavirus has these kids out of school today, so we're babysitting them on the job here today. They're babysitting Shug. These kids hard at work playing baseball. That's what they're doing for work today. Cohen says he's gonna help us work today. You got a mag there? Ready to go?
Yeah.
Hayden, you wanna be the cameraman?
How?
You just gotta stand here and video us.
Okay.
Alright. I'm just a little short. That sucks. Good job, Hayden. You did good with the camera. You want to learn how to do that?
What?
You want to learn how to do that?
I already know how to. I've done it before.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You know how?
Kinda.
Master?
Yeah.
Looking good. Snack break. Peanut time. Shug's first time with a concrete chuck.
Pitbull.
Throw it in. Hey Matt. Great to have you here. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I worked so hard today, man. Cohen, you're killing it. Good job, man. Look at that. All right, we're all done. We're heading out.